Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bosal Tech, and here I am going to show that withdraw proof of this free Bitcoin earning boot. You can see that I got withdraw from here 326 Satoshi of BTC. Now come to my first account and I will show you that proof of this withdrawal. Use the dashboard and scroll down. You can check out I got withdraw 326 Satoshi. You can also check dates 28th July 2024. You can also earn a huge benefit from this boot, and how can you earn? I will tell you all things in this video. First of all, I will provide you link inside the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. Now after reaching here, you can see that we have only 4 tasks available. First one is that is private channel. Then we have developer channel. Third task is about to subscribe YouTube channel, and we have last one that is visit website and click one article. First of all, you need to click on private channel option, and here you need to join it, where you can see right now mute option. You will see join option and you have to click on it to join this private channel. Now we have developer channel. You also need to click on it, and you also need to join this channel also to start earning in this boot. Now we have YouTube channel. Click on it and click on open up it, and you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to be able to get a huge benefit from this free earning boot. As you can see that I already subscribed it, and also press the bell icon so that now come to my website, and here we have last one task, that is visit website and click one article. Click on it and I will show you all things so that you can join it and you can earn a huge number of Bitcoin from this free earning boot. Scroll down, you can see that we have many more article available. You just need to click on any one these article, and you can see that we have number of article available. You have to click on any one article, and now come to the website, and you can see that you have to click on, you will see at the place of empty bar joined option. You have to click on it and you will join all these articles very freely and easily. Now after completing all tasks, you can see that we have balanced task option, referral system, withdraw, bonus, earn more. Click on bonus option. You can get a bonus from here after every 24 hours. After this, and you can also check your balance, and we have task option. You can also complete these 5 tasks to get free BTC from this free earning boot. Now come to the back option, and here I am going to show that a very free method to increase your earning. Just need to click on a referral state option, and here you will go to your affiliate link like this one. You have to copy your affiliate link and share this link with your friend, with your family member. If a person join this boot and completing all tasks, you will earn a 25 BTC Satoshi per referral link. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now if you got benefit from this free earning boot, then please subscribe my channel, and if you still have any query or question about this related boot, you can ask me in the comment section. Hopefully you like it, you love it.